Hi, this is your video for Monday, the 28th of September, 28th of the 9th, 20, XXVIII 28, IX9, XX20. RLC for today is on our theme of multiplication for this week. So it's can I multiply 4 digits by 1 digit? So a nice gentle reminder of multiplication using a short multiplication to get us started with this week. And then we'll move on to long multiplication further in the week. Little warm up for you coming up. Pause the video. And there's your answers. Another way of working out the last one could be 4 times 200 and then multiply that by 2. Okay, simple calculation for us. 3,223 times 3. I'm going to show you it on a place value grid as well. Here's our calculation, our short multiplication. And here is 3,223 times 3, because that is what multiplication is. It's repeated addition. When we work out short multiplication, we start off on the right-hand side, as with our addition and subtraction. So starting off on the right-hand side, 3 groups of 3. 3 times 3, 9. Next one. 3 groups of 2. 3 times 2, or 2 times 3, 6. Next column. 3 groups of 2. 3 times 2, or 2 times 3, 6 again. And finally, 3 groups of 3 is 9. And this is our answer, 9,669. There are 2,114 seats in a theatre. The theatre is fully booked for 3 shows. How many people attended overall? So you might be thinking about our calculation here. Have a think. Did you get it? We need to work out 2,114 multiplied by 3. We need to find 3 groups of 2,114. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. And now we have 3 groups of 4. This of course makes 12. We can exchange here, exchange 10 of those 1s for 1 of those 10s. The 1 that we've just exchanged goes underneath, and the 2 that we're left with goes in the 1s column. So we put the 2 down and carry the 1, as we say. Next column. 1 times 3. Well, 3 groups of 1 is 3, plus the 1 that we carried over, that we exchanged, we're left with 4. Next column, the hundreds column. 3 groups of 1, 1 times 3, 3 times 1, 3. And finally, 3 groups of 2, 3 times 2, 2 times 3, gives us 6. 6,342 people attended. I want you to have a go at questions 1 to 4 on the worksheet. You can pause here because the answers are going to come up next to those questions. You can pause any time you need to get those answers. 3,504 times 5. First step, 5 times 4, or 5 groups of 4, is 20. 5 times 4 is 20, or 4 times 5 is 20. But we're going to exchange groups of 10. Exchange 1 group of 10 1s for 1 10, and another group of 10 1s for 1 10. 2 underneath, 0 in the box. Next step. 5 times 0 is 0. Whenever you multiply a number by 0, the answer is going to be 0. There were 2 underneath, so we need to add those on. 2. Next column, 5 groups of 5. 5 times 5 is 25. We're going to exchange groups of 10 again. This time there's 2 of them. So we'll exchange 10 hundredths for 1,000, and then we'll exchange another 10 hundredths for 1,000, which gives us 2 underneath and 5 left over in the hundreds column. Finally, 5 times 3 is 15, plus the 2 is 17. We're going to exchange again. Groups of 10 thousands can be exchanged for 1 10,000. One underneath that we've exchanged, and we're left with 7. Finally, in the 10,000s column, 5 groups of 0 is 0. 1 underneath that we carried from before and we exchanged, so place the 1 in the box. So our final answer is 17,520. Have a go at the questions on the rest of the worksheet, and your answers are coming up next. Pause the video or rewind wherever you need to, so you can check again and also check your answers carefully.